Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or change your phone number on Shopify. This process is simple and quick. So let's dive right in and make sure your contact information is always up to date. Start by logging into your Shopify account and heading over to your store dashboard. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your store's name. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Manage Account. This will take you to your account settings, where you can update your personal and contact details. On the Manage Account page, scroll to the section labeled Phone Number. You'll see your current number displayed here, along with an Update button right next to it. Go ahead and click that to begin making changes. Now, when updating your phone number, there are a couple of important things to keep in mind. First, make sure to select the correct country code from the drop-down list. This ensures your phone number is recognized internationally and helps prevent any issues with Shopify communication or verification processes. Once your country code is set, move to the phone number field and type in the new number you want to use. Double-check that you've entered everything correctly. Even one wrong digit can lead to missed security alerts or important updates. After you've confirmed the number is accurate, click the Update button once again to save your changes. Your Shopify account will now reflect your most current phone number. And that's it. You've successfully updated your phone number on Shopify. Keeping your contact information current is essential, not just for security reasons, but also to ensure smooth communication with Shopify and your customers. Make it a habit to periodically review your account settings and verify everything is up to date. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out our other Shopify tutorials for more quick tips on optimizing your store. Thanks for watching and have a great day managing your shop.